to my channel. So editing Liza, just popping on to refilm the intro of this video, because initially what I wanted this video to be was the first of 2 decorate with us videos, but actually I've switched things around because our Christmas tree was delayed and I just thought you probably don't want to see 2 decorate with us videos, so I've just filmed the one now. In this video we will be decorating our dining room and the Christmas tree in the dining room, so I really hope you enjoy watching this video. And then to see our living room tree, what I'm going to do is I'm going to film a complete house tour for you. So I'm going to do a Christmas house tour like I've done for the last 2 years, so I really hope you enjoy watching those. I'll link the other 2 house tour videos down below for you if you'd like to go and watch those as well to see how things have changed. But I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get started. We're getting ready, aren't we?
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
Moving the table.
No, don't move the table.
Yes, I'm moving the table.
Why?
Because then you've got lots of room, you can move around lovely jubbly.
Oh, lovely jubbly wibbly wobbly.
Hello.
I actually really like the table over here.
You're silly.
Why?
Because have you seen this light hanging in the middle of the bloody room?
Yeah, but lights do go in the middle of the room. You're not going to move it over there, are you? People do have their tables over here. You still have a light in the middle of the room, don't you? You're an electrician.
Pass food over there, alright?
Yeah, I forgot about that actually.
We were thinking about putting the lights on, but Mummy, you didn't organise them very well, did you?
I started doing it right in there, and then I ran out.
How the hell are we going to sort them out?
You can do it. You can do it when you're being cute.
Right, Rens?
So
So this is the tree at the minute.
It's actually very big, isn't it, for that corner?
Yeah, I didn't screw the thing in,
We're
did
going to
I?
have to keep the table over there.
No, we're not. It just feels way more Christmassy with the lights on, doesn't it? Mummy has already started doing those set of lights. I've got to do these set of lights. Who do you reckon's going to win? I'll give her about a 5-minute head start here.
It's going to take forever, honestly. It's really...
It's weather.
Right, it's a bit later on in the day now, and the boys are in their Christmas tops. Are you feeling festive? You feeling Christmassy? You ready to decorate?
Yeah!
So we're all ready to decorate the tree now, and Orlando has joined us. This is his first time decorating the tree. He's dressed for the occasion. Look at you! You look cute! Hello! Pop, pop. Turn it on then. Yeah, turn it on then, yeah. Another one.
Another one.
Yeah!
I am on my way again. Can't believe it's been a year. Riding through the winter night, thinking of my only wish. I don't need a perfect snowman.
And then Landy Lou.
Ready?
Hold on, Mummy.
Actually, should we get his first Christmas decoration?
Go on
The
then.
Disney one.
Good job there, mate. Huh? What on, Rens?
How do I do this one?
Huh?
How do I do this one?
Put it on there, buddy. Look at this little ball here. We got here at Euro Disney. Disneyland Paris.
Your first Christmas!
You like it? Oh, Landy. That's cute, that.
Right, it's time for the star. Renzo's going to do it this year.
Right, Rens, you know what you got to do? Put on the top.
I can't do it.
So sit me on the...
Daddy, you're going to have to help him.
That's it. Leave it. Hey!
Hey! When I stand on the table.
You can't pop it, it won't make any difference.
On the table.
I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. And I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you.
So just got back home because we dropped the boys off at their granny's for a couple of hours, and we had to go pick something to go on top of the tree because the star that we had for the top of the tree is too tall, isn't it? It's a little bit too tall, so instead we got a bow.
Cute.
Which is cute, which is just from like our local, like, I don't know what shop that is really, it's just a cute little bargain shop, and we got this bow to put on top, so I think that'll probably look quite nice on there, won't it? And then it'll be finished, but we haven't showed you the tree yet, have I?
No, get it finished, isn't it?
Oh yeah, let me put the bow on and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the Christmas tree all done, and the little bow on the top. I don't really know, I need to have a little play around with that bow because it's a bit squiffy, isn't it? But this is the tree. I'm so happy with it. I think it looks really pretty. So on the tree, we obviously had the baubles, and then after we'd done all the baubles with the boys, I thought I'd have a little play around with some flowers, and I popped them into the tree, and I just think they look so good, and they kind of finish the tree off. And then this little sign here actually finished it off completely. This is what we bought in the range actually the other day, and I just think it looks so gorgeous. It's just something really cute. I've seen this kind of like sign on more like of a farmhouse design tree where it's all like red and white, and they've had like a really cute little Merry Christmas sign on there. I thought I would just pop it on here because I didn't know where else to put it, and I think it looks really, really cute. So that is our Christmas tree, guys, in the dining room. I'm not really sure what to do with the table setting yet, so I've just popped this wreath here, which is what we bought from Matalan, some eucalyptus, which we've had for years from TK Maxx, I think it was, or HomeSense, and then this little guy, which we actually bought from Homebase last year. He was in the sale. So that is our kind of table setting at the moment, but the tree was the main focus of today, and I think it looks really, really pretty in that corner. So cute. I don't know what I'm going to do about that top bow bit. I'm not sure. I might change it, or I just need to have a little move around with it. So cute. We've got 2 sets of lights on there, and then underneath we've just popped a tree skirt and then like a faux sheepskin rug, and we've got like the mix of the green baubles, pink flowers in there. We've also got some like green hydrangeas, the sign obviously. We've got our super special Disney baubles there as well, so for Orlando's first Christmas, and then that's the other one that we bought when we went to France. Okay, so that is the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed seeing it. I absolutely love how the tree turned out in the dining room. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to show you the living room tree and the rest of the house once it's completed, and I will show you that as soon as possible. So once all of the decorations are up, I will film a full house tour for you. Let me know what else you would like to see, and I will see you all very soon. Bye, guys.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball